Welcome back, everybody. This is my 2017 Acura RLX. The gas struts holding up the hood has worn out, and today we're going to be replacing these. I'm going to show you how to replace them. One thing to pay attention to is once we remove one of the two arms, we're going to lose a lot of support. So again, we're going to utilize the pool noodle as our temporary bracing while we work on this this structure. All right, so just keep one hand on it and should be okay. So for these strong arms, there are two attachment points. Up here, there's a ball joint. There, now it's out. There. That's all we have to do. Just, again, pull the spring back, and it'll release from the socket. So the nice thing about the insulation part is you could just push it in. So that's it. You just shove it in, push it in, and it'll spring into the socket. All right, so let's go to the other side. All right, that's it. So we're gonna take the support off, take all the garbage out, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so these are new strong arms, and so it's very stiff right now, and so when we work on the car, it's not gonna come down on us. All right, this is one of the easiest jobs you can tend to by yourself, so I hope this video helps you. All right, good luck.